Hi everyone, welcome to TadiBrothers. I'm Tamir, and in this video we are going to pair our new version 3 digital wireless systems. You know you have a version 3 when you have the integrated DVR or the square buttons, or if you have one of the license cameras or side cameras, it will have a blue plunger for the pairing. But let's get started. First thing you want to do is connect the antenna to your monitor. After you do that, you want to power it up like I'm going to do here. Connect it to 12 volts, either directly or the cigarette adapter. Next up is we're going to want to go to the channel that we want to pair that first camera to. I want to pair the RV camera first, so I'm going to go to channel number 1 because that's where I want to see it. So we're going to take the monitor and we're going to click on the split screen button until we hit channel number 1. And you see here, this is channel number 1. And we're going to now take the camera itself. We're taking the RV camera. I'm going to connect the antenna to it, just so it's set up for me. And the next thing we're going to do is enter it into pairing mode. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go to the monitor. Now, just so you know, there's 2 ways of pairing it. I'm going to show you the shortcut, and I'm going to show you the way to do it through the menu. So to enter pairing mode, what you're going to do is hold down the pair button for 5 seconds. And you're going to see a 60-second countdown. We give you plenty of time, so if you need to go back and forth, you have some time to do it. When you see the 00, that means that it's negotiating with the camera and it's setting up the encryption so the camera is locked in. Next up, after we set up the antenna on the camera side, we are now going to plug it in. You can see right here. And then you're going to see an indicator light showing you that the camera is getting power. In past versions, you wouldn't be able to see that. You wouldn't know the camera is getting power or not. Now, let's hold down the orange button. That's the pairing button. And watch the indicator light start blinking. And on the clock, you're going to see that it's going to go to 00 once it's negotiating the encryption, right? And there you go. You have it. It was very quick, but we're going to pair more cameras. Now you're hearing an echo because this monitor and camera have a microphone. So we're going to mute that so it doesn't drive us crazy. Let's go on to the next camera now so you can see the other pairing process. So for that, we're going to click on, we're going to go to the channel we want. So we're going to go to channel number 2, right? You see right there. And now we're going to, instead of holding down the pair button, we're going to go to the menu button. Click on that. When you see it on pairing, you click OK. And the countdown begins, and you're going to see a blinking light, which tells you it's pairing, right? It's nice if you want to see it from far away. Makes it easier for you. Let's pair the license camera to this one, right? So we're going to go here. It's the camera. I'm going to plug it into power, and we're going to plunger. Click the pairing button. Give it a couple of seconds. You see 00. And there you have it. That is camera number 2. Okay, let me mute it again. All right, that is camera number 2. You have that here. Make it there so you guys can see the road there. All right, next up is the side camera. Let's pair that one, and we're going to go to channel number 3. Remember, the channel is located right here, and this is indicating if it's muted or not. But this is channel number 3. That's the one we're going to pair next, and we are going to do it through the shortcut. We're going to hold this down. There you go, we're in pairing mode. And to power this camera, I'm going to use the TadiBrothers battery. Okay, go here, and we're gonna plug it in like this. And we are going to hold down the plunger button like that. Give it a couple of seconds, look for that 00 to happen. Oh, it didn't turn it on. Let's turn it on. There you go. And let's hold it down. 00, and you're paired. You got 3 cameras that are good to go. See, there you go. Now we're going to go to the split screen mode so you can see all 3 cameras at the same time. All right, that's channel 4. We're not having it. And there you go, channel 1, 2, and 3. They're all paired. Remember, you can change around the split screen modes to get the specific mode you want. That's really quick. We're going to do a separate video on that. But this is a 3-camera mode, and this is the view I want to see. I hope this was helpful. If you need any help, you can call our American-based tech team anytime at 866-966-5550. If you want to ask for me, I'm Tamir. I'm always around. I'll gladly help you any way I can. From all of us here at TadiBrothers, thank you for watching and have a great day.